Planning a move from Maryland to sunny Florida? We're here to help! In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about moving from Maryland to Florida, including costs, tips, and why Florida is one of the best places to live. Florida is known as the Sunshine State for a reason. Year-round warmth, sunny beaches, and a lifestyle that's hard to beat. But why exactly should you make the move? Let's explore what makes Florida such an appealing destination. There are numerous reasons why Florida is an ideal place to relocate. From the affordable cost of living and tax benefits to its world-class beaches and vibrant culture, Florida offers something for everyone. Florida has one of the strongest economies in the U.S., driven by agriculture, tourism, international trade, and entertainment. When it comes to the cost of living, Florida offers more affordable housing compared to other major states, such as Maryland. One of the biggest advantages of moving to Florida? No state income tax. That means more of your hard-earned money stays in your pocket, unlike in Maryland, where you'll face state taxes. Florida's tax system is very favorable to newcomers. Florida is home to some of the most popular cities in the country. From the cultural hub of Miami to the theme park capital of the world, Orlando, there's a city for every lifestyle. So, how much will it cost to move from Maryland to Florida? The cost varies depending on the distance, the size of your home, and the services you need. Here's an estimate of moving costs from different cities in Maryland to popular locations in Florida. To get an accurate quote, fill out the FAST online form or give us a call for personalized assistance.